See, ladies? This is what we have to do for our kings. Look, the back of the neck. Smith, you see? The back of the neck, the ears. And then look.
They gonna get you. I'm in the back of the backboard, family.
That's the front.
Try to give it a little clean.
Yo, you got it in the neck.
Shut up.
You showing them you really out here working. Yes.
Look at this, eraser.
Whoa, where you got that from?
Use that to erase the queens who don't know how to keep their mouth shut. Erase them, fellas.
Yo, you got jokes.
We doing the work. FDMG, King Kong Consciousness. It's all about the work. Wait a minute, now I gotta wipe my face off.
Oh, yes. Here we go. Oh, wait, make sure. Look, ladies, look.
They gonna get you. Who is this woman wiping on the prince?
Look, Anaya A. period 5.
Who is this woman in the gym?
Yes.
Wiping off our prince?
With a cute hat on, a dress, and a pair of boots. You know why? Because I gotta do the work. I gotta do the work. It don't matter how we look. Just do the work, ladies.
You gotta do the work.
You gotta do the work.
If the world's most requested black scholar can still clean,
That part.
I save children for a living, I can still come and clean. I travel the world raising the consciousness for a living, but I can still come and clean. Who are you not to clean? Jesus said the purpose of life is to serve. The purpose of life is to serve. Somebody said, is you single? You got another admirer.
Oh my God. Look, I'm only ready for a king. If he ain't a king,
She's only ready for a king.
I can't do this. No, he gotta be a king. He gotta be 6 foot tall. He gotta be
Shut
really
up.
clean. He gotta have a school. He gotta be a world famous author and a psychologist.
Wait, they didn't hear you. What he got to be?
6 feet tall with big hands, strong, educated. He has to be a psychologist and he has to own a school.
Y'all heard that?
He got to be helping our community. I only do kings. I'm sorry, guys.
Y'all heard that?
Now, if you guys are ready, we can have a conversation. But I really want y'all to understand it's not really about that, but it's really about uplifting the brothers for real. But you got to be ready for a queen like me, though. What?
Let me get another napkin, hon,
Would you like me to wipe your forehead again?
when I come back down.
Okay.
Is she a potential wife?
Oh, tell him, tell them.
She said, mind your business.
Listen, tell them how long I've known you. How long?
She known me for 10 years, but only seen her 3 times.
Wow, you gonna put my business out there like that? I'm not gonna compete with these women out here. I already told you that. These women, ladies, wait. Do you have ladies on here as well?
You know it.
Listen, ladies, have y'all ever been in a room with this brother where there's a bunch of females? Anaya wasn't ready to go to jail. I could not do it. All these chicks pushing me out the way. I'm only 5 feet tall. You understand what I'm saying? Anybody got time for that? But women, when you find you a king, remember there's a lot of women that are out there ready to snatch that brother from you. Get ready, ladies. It's war out here. That's all I gotta say. We're not doing this co-life thing either.
She not. She said she can't be a co-wife.
Nope. Cannot.
And that's Baba Smith over there. He gonna put the murals up on the wall. See, he already working on the strategy right now. We about to get the gym popping. 3-on-3 basketball tournament for the boys and girls.
When is that?
3-on-3 basketball tournament. 3-on-3 basketball tournament for the boys and girls, September the 11th. We're getting ready. I might got to dunk on somebody.
Yes.
That'll be it for now. How we look?
We look great, King. We look great. How you feeling? Good?
I'm feeling good. This was a good day. Full moon in Capricorn, which is all about order, structure, getting it ready. Wipe my face off.
Okay, hold on. I got the garbage real quick. I'll do that. Look, he said wipe his face off. Ladies, this is what you gotta do. Ow. See, ladies? This is what we have to do for our kings. Look, the back of the neck. Smith, you see? The back of the neck, the ears. And then look.
They gonna get Baba Smith.
You need those umbrella, you know, like the thing in Coming to America?
Yes.
You need that.
Wait, let me get the other side. Hold on, let me make sure this side is good. Wait. Look, see? I didn't even get that side, ladies. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying, ladies? Wait, oh, it's not even on you right now. You didn't even show them. It's not, look, ladies, I forgot the other side. See, when you're taking care of the man, you have to make sure everything. I know I'm extra, but he told me to wipe him down. See, ladies, sometimes we gotta be extra, because you know what? Honestly, while you saying that, the man needs the attention too. We can't just be up here like whatever, you know what I mean? He wants the attention and he wants the love, and he needs a queen by his side that's gonna do the work.
You know, you're educating the women, but at the same time, you make an exception for one thing.
What?
Why is that?
What?
The co-wife.
Oh, Lord, here we go. Because I could not imagine how, in a situation, right, with somebody like him, for example, or like with yourself, you're well educated, you're charismatic, you guys are both black men that are very strong and amazing and powerful. The reason why I couldn't do the co-wife thing is because I want that man for myself. I understand there's a shortage of men. I have not discounted that by 1 second. However, as a black female, our main hope is that we find somebody that cares for us and that takes
Somebody
care
said
of
you're going to get jumped at the block party by the other queens. Continue.
Don't jump me, ladies, because I fight. I'm a Zoe. I'm a Haitian woman. We don't play. Remember this, Eileen? Louverture and Christophe? Okay. So, with that...
You don't want to share.
I don't want to share, because at the end of the day, if I have a man at my house, and let's say, God forbid, somebody breaks into the house, and he has one queen, but he can protect me, right? But let's say he has 2 or 3 queens that he has to protect. At what point is he gonna say which one of these women are more special? He can't jump in and say all 3.
Why not take into consideration is the ratio, is the statistics, because you sound very self-centered.
Get her, Baba Smith, get her.
Is it my fault? Is it my fault that we are lacking black men in society? Absolutely not. But
Y'all good at?
I want to, wait, hold on, because okay, real quick, I want to share this, because everybody's probably going to say, she sounds selfish. I understand that men are going to cheat or whatever, irregardless. But when it comes to the household, I believe one man and one woman should be together. That's it. Like, but what do you guys say? No, let's talk about your viewers out there. You can also find me at Anaya A. period spelled out on Facebook. If you want to continue this conversation, I have the Anaya A show. I would love to interview more of you actually on my platform. In the meantime, what do you ladies say out there? Do you agree with the co-wife situation? Men, I know you're going to agree with it. I know you will.
Somebody said, can you wipe their face?
Do that.
Well, they want me to wipe their face. Or
Right, their face.
Oh, their face.
Yes, because I've been wiping his face.
Being jealous now.
Well, listen, I'm the epitome of a good woman, and if my man needs me, right? If my man needs me to do something in the home, I'm there, because we need to support our kings. If my man needs a foot rub, I'll do that. If my man needs a back rub, I'm gonna do that. If he needs a hot cooked meal, I just learned how to cook 5 minutes ago. I'll cook and make
Just
sure.
learn how to cook. How a Haitian woman just learn how to cook?
Because wait, real quick. At 16, I went to university. At 17, I was traveling all over the United States. By 18, I was literally the leader at my university, and by 19, I was in London, England. So what do you want me to do?
She didn't learn how to cook till a few weeks ago. What you have to say about that as a Haitian man, Baba Smith?
Well, I tasted her food. I cook too.
Yeah.
But she's all right.
She all right?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I give her a
9.
Yeah,
6.
Eight.
6.5.
No, I'm going to cook for you too. I'm going to cook for you. And I bake as well. I bake. I
You
do
bake?
cookies and cakes and
I
stuff.
need some Haitian food.
Okay. Lord, that's
Yeah,
gonna be a challenge.
you gotta go to the bathroom, Matt?
Let me pick these up.
You said you had to leak. Somebody gotta take a leak. Okay. You good, Baba Ted?
Oh, yeah, man, good.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Oh, man. Okay.
And look, cleaning up, I clean, I cook. We have to
Lead
do
us
that.
here.
Listen, how about these here?
Yeah. All of
Women,
that.
Clean up for your man, but not just for your man, for yourself, ladies. Like, and you know, this world that we live in is very fake. We live in a society about social media. You know, this is not real life, ladies. Let's go back to the way things used to be when the mothers used to cater to their husbands. You know, we used to have home-cooked meals. Stop depending on Burger King and Checkers and stuff. You know what I'm saying? I know I'm thick, but I don't eat all of that Burger King stuff or whatever all day. Y'all probably like, oh, but she eat that Burger King. No, I don't. Okay, I'm just a naturally thick sister. Praise God.
He said he need to see your toes.
Oh, he need to see my toes.
That's what somebody said they need a toe submission.
Wait, this is my. I'm not taking off my boots. Oh my God. Your crew are kind of out there, yo.
I'm signing off. We getting the gym ready. FDMG, September 11th. If you a UMAR supporter, if you a FDMG supporter, September 11th, be in the building. Bring the children. Programs for the children. I'm here. Take your picture with me on the RBG Rock. Take your picture with me on the RBG Rock. Hartford, I'm going to see you in 2 days. Springfield, I'm going to see you in 3 days. Houston, I'm going to see you in like 14 days. Dallas, I'm going to see you in like 15 days. Miami, I'm going to see you in like 20 days. Austin, Texas, I'm going to see you in like 21 days. Little Rock, Memphis, Louisville, Macon. If the hardest working scholar can still build an institution, what is your excuse? Hit your Cash App, $ FDMG School. Hit your Cash App, $ FDMG School. Hit your PayPal, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. Hit your PayPal, paypal.me/FDMG Academy. It's the Prince. Get at your brother. One love.